Let's go, one day better. 22 on our feet. The DB's trying to knock my ass off, man. You see the respect I get over here?
Trying to knock you down.
Golly. Hey, work together. 22 on their feet. Stay away from the quarterback. Practice hard, practice safe. Good, get in, get there, get there, get there. Bang, good. It's good job. Bang, get on the right, get there. That's how to work to get there, big man. That's how to work together. Hang on, that's how to work together. That's where to be. Hey, let's go. Play nice in the sandbox. Oh! Woo! Good concentration, good concentration.
Nice job, Tay. Nice job.
That's how to get to the ball. Get to the ball. Uppercuts on the whistle. Uppercuts on the whistle. Dalton, great job. Backers, great job. Well done.
I get them damn pads on. I'm tired of these spiders.
I know.
The O-linemen always think they hard until we get the pads on.
Fullback, possible tailback, blocking back. You know. Oh, Stooks will break legs. Woo! Jack did. I mean, he did lead the state of Georgia in punt returns, and he played at the highest level. He got a little bit of, let me see Jennison. Oh, that's a fullback all the way. Yeah, he thinks he's like Barry Sanders, Gale Sayers, 6 inches of daylight, that's all I need. Look at Gab. Go ahead, Gab. Go get Kahuku, Gab. Gavin, nobody's going to want to go against you now. It's damn open field tackling. You're going goal line. Goal line tackle. Had a chance. Drive it. Oh, God dang. It's a great ball. Your first ball was a great ball too, 11. Tough to defend those. Don't leave one inside. Good ball. Here we go. Let's keep working now. Keep working. Hey, get to the ball. I got the ball. I got the whistle. I thought we thought we were pushing. But no defender will ever say PI. He's not allowed. Great catch. But I tell you what, he's the one you guys should be talking to. That's a great throw. It's a great job. Great job, you guys. Great job. Keep getting better. Good job, Jonah. Good job, offense. Good job, O-line. Good fights in there.